Wanna Be Natural. I'm so happy that you're here. And today we have something a little sweet, a little sexy. It's for Valentine's Day. And it's a look that anybody can do, because I'm not a makeup guru. I'm just an ordinary girl who likes to play in makeup sometimes. So, y'all, and the struggle was very real trying to put these lashes on, because I don't wear lashes like that. I really don't, but I want to be a little extra since it's Valentine's Day. And you know, this is me and my husband's like, I don't know what year, but this is our 5th year being married. We've been dating since high school, so that's another story. But anyways, I want to be a little extra because I never really, you know, doll up like this. Because when you have kids, well, if you have kids, you understand. You understand what I'm saying if you have kids. But anyways, if you want to see how I did this cute, simple Valentine's look that's a little extra, then continue to watch. And also, I'll show you how I pinned up my hair in this cute little bun. Alright, guys. So I have already done my eyebrows, and there's tons of eyebrow tutorials. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. And first I'm going to prime my eyelid with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Then we're going to go in with that Matte for Matte palette in that tan shade. And I'm going to do some sweeping motions back and forth until I get it the desired color that I like.
To my life, I'm gonna sing my song, this love. Never give it up.
I noticed it came out a little darker than what I was expecting, and I think it was because I had used a purple eyeshadow a few days before and I didn't clean my brush, so I had to make sure I did the other side just as the same pigment so it wouldn't look crazy. Next, I'm going to take this little mauve color on that Matte for Matte palette, and we're going to place that right in the center of my eyelid. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And I'm going to pack it on there with just a brush I ordered offline. I forgot to say the first brushes I used were from BH Cosmetics that I ordered a long time ago, and I like them. And they blend out pretty good. So my son is in here with me while I'm doing my makeup, my 7-month-old son, so I keep looking down to the side to make sure he's okay. And my husband popped up a while ago. No eye look is complete without a little liner, so I'm taking my Maybelline Line Stiletto. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. I've used it forever, and I'm going to do a pretty thick line, because I'm going to be applying some false lashes.
Held to the fire, it has faced storms, the wind and rain. It has been forced to feel some pain.
Before I did my lashes, I had to give my baby a bottle because he started crying, so that's what we had to do. And y'all, the struggle was super real trying to do these lashes. I don't see how the beauty girls do it. Like, it took me about, no lie, like at least 5 minutes on each eye trying to get it right. I ended up like really just having to take it off and do it with my hand. As you can see, the struggle was definitely real. So if y'all can give me some tips on how to do it, finally I see the light, you know. And then I went ahead and applied some mascara to make them blend in with my natural lashes better. And the mascara I'm using was just from Wet n Wild. Next, I take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fun, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead, and around my mouth, and just get all of those spots.
We'll have passion.
So now I'm taking my damp beauty blender, and I am just buffing all of that concealer out and getting my face ready for my foundation. And not on camera, I did moisturize and prime my face, and for my primer I used some e.l.f. Like hydrating primer mist or something. I don't know the exact name. I'll have to look. So I added Cool Tan to make my highlight pop a bit more, and that's what I'm applying now to make it a little more brighter.
All this love, all this love, all this love.
I'm setting my concealer with the Ben Nye banana powder. I'm just patting that in with that same beauty blender. Now it's time for foundation. I'm using the Becca Aqualuminous foundation from Sephora, and I'm using the color Tan. And I'm taking a brush that I found at TJ Maxx. It looks like those expensive brushes that the beauty girls use. So, you know, I'm just being my bougie on a budget. And I'm blending it out, making sure I don't have a lot of harsh lines going into my hairline, down my neck, to make sure the foundation is really in. And then I'm concealing with my black opal stick foundation, and that's going to bring some depth back into my face and kind of bring the look to life. And I'm concealing down my nose too, because I want it to be a little extra. It's Valentine's Day, you know, gotta look cute. And I'm buffing out that contour really good, going up into my hairline, just so I don't have any harsh lines. And I'm going to add a little more just to get it how I want. And then I'm going to set it with my e.l.f. setting powder in the color medium dark. And after I set it, I'm going to spray with some e.l.f. setting mist, or maybe primer mist. So, oh, I forgot about blush. So the blush I'm using is from BH Cosmetics. I ordered like some years ago. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. And I just used the light pink color. I'll list everything below. And then I put a little mascara on the bottom. And then we're gonna line my lips with my brown pencil that I use for my eyebrows. And then we're gonna go in with a nice deep maroonish burgundy colored lipstick that I got from my local beauty supply store, and it dries matte. But I thought this color was so pretty and would look good for Valentine's Day, going out with your hubs, you know, if you're married. I think that's my daughter playing with the door. So, and that's gonna pretty much complete the makeup look. So next we'll go on into, oh, that was my husband picking up my baby because he got a little restless. Here we're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do a deep side part and wet my hair a little bit and put a little Eco Styler gel on the side and brush that in.
We'll triumph, at times we'll fail. It can be heaven, or it can be hell. It'll be right.
Next I started a little twist, and I'm going to swoop it all over and pull it into a ponytail. So I thought about leaving a little string of hair out, but I changed my mind. I really didn't like it. So I'm going to split that ponytail into two and twist that up and wrap it around into a bun. You can use bobby pins, but my hair just kind of holds on its own. So I just twisted it around until I got the bun positioned how I wanted it. And then I decided not to leave that little piece of hair out because it was getting on my nerves, so I just tucked it away. And that's the finished look. So now I'm gonna go change into my Valentine's outfit. I'll be right back. Y'all watch how I walk in here like I'm somebody. Thanks for checking me out. Please like, comment, and subscribe.